Welcome again my YouTube channel Short and Bob Pixie Haircut. In this video I will show you the all hairstyles short Bob Pixie haircuts and Bob Pixie haircut long to medium haircuts. Your ultimate destination for stylish and trendy hair inspiration on this channel. We are passionate about showcasing the latest Bob and Pixie cut hairstyles from classic and elegant to eggy and avant-garde. Whether you are looking for a fresh new look or simply want to stay up to date with the latest hair trends, we have got you covered. Our channel is dedicated to providing high quality content that's both informative and entertaining. From in depth tutorials and product reviews to celebrity hairstyles and everyday inspiration, we will be covering it all. Our goal is to create a community where haircuts can come together, share ideas, and learn from one another. So, whatever you are a hairstylist, a beauty blogger, or simply someone who loves all things hair, we invite you to join the conversation. We will be featured a wide range of bob and pixie cut hairstyles, including classic cut, asymmetrical styles, and everything in between. We will also be exploring the latest hair trends from bold colors and subtle highlights to eggy texture and sleek finish. And of course, we will be sharing the plenty of tips and tricks for the styling and maintaining your bob or pixie haircut so you can look and feel your best every day. So sit back, relax, and get ready to find your next favorite hairstyle. We are excited to have you join our community and we cannot wait to see the amazing hairstyles we will create. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and follow us on social media from the latest update and behind the scenes peeks into the world of Bob Pixie haircut. A long to medium bob pixie haircut is our style and stylish option that combines the best of both worlds, typically reaching the chin or the collarbone. This cut blends the classic elegance of a bob with the eggy charm of a pixie. One of the defining the features of these styles is the choppy layers that add the texture, volume, and movement to their hair. These layers can be cut to frame the face, accentuating the cheekbones and jawline, or to add a playful PC look to the overall style. This cut is incredibly versatile and can suit a wide range of face shape and hair types. For those with oval or heart-shaped face, a long to medium bob pixie haircut can create a stunning balanced look. For those with round or square faces, the choppy layers can help to slim down the face or soften angular features. In terms of hair type, this cut works beautifully with the straight, wavy, or curly hair and can even help to add a volume and texture to fine or slim look. One of the best thing about a long to medium bob pixie is its low maintenance and requirements. Unlike shorter bob pixie haircut, which can require the frequent trims to maintain their shape, their styles can be easily trimmed and styled at home. A simple round brush and blow dryer can add the sleek, polished, finished look, while a texturing spray